as we celebrate the 27th Charter Anniversary of our beloved city, Cabancalan. We thank you, Father, for your faithfulness.
Our celebration of the Charter Anniversary of the City of Cabancalan, as well as the establishment of our Division Office of the Department of Education, always sa namabatian that we celebrate this day to remind ourselves to give honor to the people who brought us here.
Celebration sa aton ika-20 sitting at Charter Anniversary. Again, may God's blessing be always upon you guys as you guys train the next generation. Thank you and good morning.
7 years ago, our beloved city was chartered by virtues of Republic Act 8297, otherwise known as an act converting the municipality of Cabancalan into component city of the province of Negros Occidental, to be known as the City of Cabancalan. Sa sulod sang 27 anyos ang aton pinalanggang nga syudad, padayon nagauswag. Salamat sa inyong dedication, kooperasyon, gugma kag kabalaka. Mga butang nga naghatag inspirasyon para magtinguha nga malambot ang aton handom. This year's theme, Cabancalan at 27, pag-isa sa gugma, pagkabalaka kag pag-asa. No? Is a fitting expression of our battle cry as a community. Nalipay ako kay naukaupod ko kamo sa sini nga tinutuyo. Aim high, Cabancalan, ipadayon ng pagbago para tanan may asenso. God bless our celebrations. May God bless us all. Salamat. I, the authority vested in me as the City Mayor of Cabancalan, I hereby declare 27th Charter Day Anniversary open. Salamat.